friends, this is a fun game that you can play with your family. You need these two pieces of paper, which I'll explain in a moment, some tape, and a scissors. This is a dice that you're going to cut out, and after you've cut it out, it's going to look like this. There's lollipop, cupcake, candy, more different kind of candy, and another kind of cupcake. And it's a dice that you can roll. So what you're going to do is you're going to look at this graph, and it has a picture for every picture on the dice. And there's a number 1 all the way through 10. And you're going to roll your dice, look at the picture, match it to the picture on the page, and you're going to color in the square. You're going to roll it again. If it's a different picture, you're going to color it in. And you're going to keep going till you get all the way to 10. And then you're going to see which one has the most rolls or the least amount of rolls. So that works on some math terms: least, most, middle, or the same, or equal. It's a lot of fun. Keep going with this game. You can also use a pencil if you want to erase it, or you could just cut out some little squares to put in here that you can keep going, so you don't have to use this paper. Have lots of fun with it, friends. Bye.